Winterthur Museum, Garden, and Library has a special relationship with the natural world. The museum and library collections hold countless numbers of objects that celebrate and are inspired by nature. Outside the museum doors, the relationship grows even stronger. This 1,000-acre landscape is home to thousands of species of plants and wildlife, and even some working goats. The symbiotic relationship between Winterthur and its environment influences our mission and work inside and outside. The natural lands and horticultural staff care for the woodlands, fields of wildflowers, waterways, and gardens. Some of the cultivated plants here first flowered in the 1800s. The woods include individual trees that are even more ancient. This natural longevity, like those of the koi fish here, remind us we are temporary stewards charged with protecting this corner of the world and keeping it healthy so it may continue supporting future generations. Winterthur is collaborating with the Delaware Museum of Natural History to explore creative connections between the natural world, materials, and the decorative arts. You will see objects ranging from a hornet's nest to minerals and fossils, to exquisite woodworking and shellwork. Seeing such interrelationships in design energizes our understandings of the needs for environmental conservation and responsible use of resources. Humankind's relationship with the natural world is evident in myriad ways inside and outside at Winterthur. The dedicated staff and volunteers work to preserve precious natural resources and to conserve, study, and share historical resources that represent and celebrate these relationships.